Exercise 5.4 Problem 20 Discussion. Find the equation of the line whose gradient is 3 by 2 and which passes through P, where P divides the line segment A and B in the ratio of 2:3 internally. It looks very complicated, isn't it? But I'll show you how to break this problem. The line, you're asked to find the equation of a straight line whose gradient is 3 by 2. Fine. So slope of the line of the required line is 3 by 2 and it passes through point P. Okay, which means you can use the slope point form and calculate the equation of the straight line. But the problem is the point P they have not given you directly. So this is one half of the problem. This is to find the straight line. Now on the right side, here if they have given point P as 1, 2 or 3, 4, the problem is straightforward. What they are doing is that they are not giving point P directly. They have given point P indirectly in the second half of the problem. The point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 2:3. So they are given A and B and they are given the ratio. So using the section formula, you can calculate point P. Once you know point P, then you come to this side. Point P is known, once slope is known, use slope point form and calculate it. Calculate the equation of the required line. You got it? So if you read the whole problem as one shot, it will be very confusing. So put the break line. So on the left of it, there is one problem, and on the right side, there is another problem. They have combined it together. That's all it is. Right. The point A is -2, 6, and B is 3, -4, and the ratio is 2:3. One another information I have missed, that slope equal to 3 by 2. Please write it. I will correct it in the next version. Okay. So these are the given information. We are asked to find the equation of the straight line. The formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, because slope is given, and if you know x1 and y1, you can find the equation of the required line. But the problem is that they have not given x1 and y1. They have given it indirectly. They have told you these 2 points is divided by P in the ratio of 2:3. L equal to 2, m equal to 3. x1, y1 is this point, x2, y2 is this point. So using the section formula and this ratio, you'll be able to calculate the point P. Once you know point P, then use the slope and substitute in this equation and get the equation of the straight line. Let's see the steps. Using points A and B in the section formula, calculate P of xy. Okay, with the ratio is 2:3. Am I right? Using points A and B in section formula, P of xy equal to Lx2 plus mx1 divided by L plus m, and the same goes for y, and the ratio of 2:3, that is L equal to 2 and m equal to 3. Calculate P. We know x1 and x2, y1 and y2. That is point A is x1, y1, point B is x2, y2. Step 2. Using point P and the slope of 3 by 2 is given 3 by 2, right? The slope of the line. In the slope point form, calculate the equation of the straight line. Here x1, y1 is the point P and the slope m equal to 3 by 2. Substitute them in this equation and get the equation of the straight line. Okay. So I guess I request you to pause the video here and go through, so try to work this problem on your own, and on completion, come back and check your working against our solution. The solution. By section formula, P of xy equal to L of x2 plus mx1 by divided by L plus m, and it is Ly2 plus my1 by L plus m. Here, there is L equal to 2 and m equal to 3. That's what is written. And what is x1, y1? The point P divides this and this. So this is x1, y1. So x1 is -2 and x2 is 3. y1 is 6 and y2 is -4. That's what we have written here. Okay. Then use this formula and get the value of P. What is this? L into x2. So 2 into x2, 2 into 3. So it's written 2 into 3. Plus mx1, 3 into -2, 3 into -3. Divided by L plus m, 2 plus 3. The same goes for y. So L into, that is 2 into y2, 2 into -4. Okay. Plus m into 3 into x1, sorry, y1 6. So 3 into 6 divided by L plus M. Simplify this. 3 2s are 6. This is again 6, so it becomes 0. 6 minus 0, 6 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Then this is 2 into 4 minus 8. This is 6 3s are 18. So 18 minus 8 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So the point is 0, 2. So instead of giving us the point here directly as 0, 2, they have given it indirectly by giving all these conditions. That's all it is. Now you know the point and you know the slope. So use that in the slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus x1 is, this is x1 y1, right? So y minus y1, that is 2, equal to slope m is 3 by 2 into x minus x1. x1 is 0. So this will become 2 into y minus 2, right? Cross multiply, this will become 2 into y minus 2. So it will become 2y minus 4 will be equal to 3x minus 0 is 3 into 0 is 0. So 2 minus y minus 4 will be 3x, or bring everything to one side, it will become 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, right? The equation is 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, sorry, there is a small mistake here. So when you bring this side, this will 3x minus 2y plus 4. Okay, it's not minus. So it is 3x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. I'll make the suitable correction in the next version. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. It looked very big, but you see the solution is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. That's all it is. Okay, only thing is that instead of giving the point P directly, they are given by this big condition. So use that condition, get the, using the section formula, calculate P. Once you calculate P, you know one point and you know slope, substitute that in the slope point form and get the equation of the straight line. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through this video one more time. Thanks for watching this video.